Hi guys, come for a lesson with me and Poppy. So right now I'm just bringing her into the field. I was actually kind of like listening to someone's conversation, so that's why I wasn't walking. Anyway, this is her trying to eat my phone because she's being a bit fat and I wasn't giving her a carrot. This is me trying to get her to smile, but she wasn't. She just wanted the carrot. I had her in short, so I was just about to get in my riding leggings. Oh, here we are. We are riding. We did some weaving in and out, and since it was so hot, we did lots of walking, but I thought you guys wouldn't want to see that since that's quite boring. Some more trotting. We didn't actually do much trotting. We did most walking in the lesson. This is us just having a little walk break. It was quite a small group. There was only 3 people, so we had lots of break. Well, I don't know. Anyway, this is us cantering. She went really speedy at the end. She did go a bit speedy here, but I was just trying to keep her going. So yeah, so us going over first jump. She kind of leaped a bit, but it's fine. And then we'll keep cantering. This is us going over the second. And guys, by the way, we didn't like do this all in a row. These are like my favorite clips that we used. I was kind of scared to do this jump, but she was so good. I was like, oh my god, yay! Second jump, and I gave her big pats, and she was so good. Then I was just turning her out. I did give her a hose down. That's why I was really wet everywhere. I was just waiting for my friend there. Anyway, now we're turning her out, and thanks for watching. Bye. This was